This video shows how to unbox and assemble the Xerox B410 printer. Cut the tape and open the box. Then take the manual and power cable placed over the printer. Remove the packaging material from the top of the printer. Lift the printer with one person. If required, lift with two people to remove the printer from the outer box. Tilt the printer and remove the outer plastic bag. Remove the tape from the front panel of door A and the protective cover on the control panel. Press the button on the right side of the printer to open door A and remove the plastic tape. Remove the toner cartridge from the printer and place it on the table. Remove the imaging unit from the printer and place it on the table. Remove the plastic tape and red loop from both the sides of the imaging unit. Remove the outer protective cover of the imaging unit. Do not expose the imaging unit to direct light for more than 10 minutes after removing the cover. Extended exposure to light may cause print quality problems. Do not touch the photoconductor drum. Doing so may affect the quality of future print jobs. Shake 3 times to redistribute the toner of the imaging unit. Insert the black imaging unit back into the printer. Shake 3 times to redistribute the toner of the toner cartridge. Insert the black toner cartridge back into the printer. Close door A until it clicks. Remove the tray from the printer. Remove the internal packaging material of tray 1. To move out the length or width paper guides, pinch the guide locks, then slide out the length or width paper guides. Fan the paper and load the paper in the tray. Adjust the guides to fit the paper size. Do not load paper past the tray's maximum fill line. Insert the tray back into the printer. If required, install the options such as optional trays, wireless network adapter, or optional hard disk before powering on the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Install the printer network connection before powering on the printer. The printer is now ready to power on.